Hi everyone, my name is Karen C. I got a lot of questions about how to make my Bitmoji to wear mask and school logo t-shirt. First, you need to find your Bitmoji t-shirts to match your school logo. My school logo color is burgundy. That's why I use white t-shirt for my Bitmoji. Okay, let's get started. And first, I plan to make the Bitmoji logo on Google Slide, and I make a new one. And this is called Demo School Tee Bitmoji. I use the file size. You can change the size from file, page, setup to custom 6 by 6 inches, and then you click apply. I search the logo and then just put it here, and you can search your school logo. The next one, I will make a new one. You can use personalize and then get the blank one. First, if you don't have the Bitmoji extension on your Google Chrome, then you need to install that. Since I already have it, and I just use the Bitmoji logo, and I use pose to search for the Bitmoji. You will see a lot of different poses that you would like to make your decision. I just pick one of them for the demo, and then I just resize it to fit the slides, and I think it's good. So if you don't like the binding bar is too big, you can resize it by double click the Bitmoji. You see that the blue square, when you double click it, you can see the square change to black color, and you see the line here in the middle. You just drag it to resize to where you want. Alright, I think it's pretty good. And then you just click outside the blue box, and then it will crop it for you, and now you can work on it and put it on the middle of the slide. And I use the wet line as a reference for the center of the slide. And then I just copy this and then place this here, and then you just resize. You drag it to tilt it to the angle that match your t-shirt of the Bitmoji, and then you just resize it. And now the line is pretty much aligned to the color of the t-shirt, and I just put it on the middle of the chest. It looks great. Okay, I make it a little bit upper. Yep, that's even better. Okay, and then the mask. The mask, you just click on insert image. This rectangle, you have the arrow, down arrow to choose. Okay, you need to type transparent mask and then search. This is the one that I use. Okay, then you just drag it over here, and then close the window to make your working area bigger. If you feel like the working area is too small for you, you can click here to get the zoom in, and then don't forget to make it back to the arrow, and then you just drag it and make it smaller to fit the face of the Bitmoji. And again, because the head of the Bitmoji is tilted, and then you need to drag this handle to tilt it to fit the face of the Bitmoji, and then you just drag to the size. It covers the nose and cover the mouth, and the chin area looks good. It fits exactly nearby the chin, and then it just fit well. Then I will zoom out. It looks good. If you are done, you just click download as a current PNG image. Then you will see that it's already here. Demo school Bitmoji t-shirt. Next, I will show you how to get rid of the background. You just go to remove.bg. You just upload the image or drag on it, and then once you drag it on the file, you will see that it's already get rid of the background. But before you download it, I want you to double check to make sure that everything is correct. Especially I use the white t-shirt, and sometimes the white t-shirt you will see that the hands, the shoulder, this areas is transparent as well, and I don't want that happen. So you need to click edit, and then you click restore or erase. This time I want to restore. You can click the size as big as possible to make it easier for you to work on. You can see the shoulder here is the same as the background. So you can minimize the brush size and make sure you click the restore. If you accidentally click on erase, you will erase that. But just in case with that happen to you, there is a redo button, and it will undo what you just did. And then make sure you click restore. Then you just click on the area that you want the t-shirt, your face, and everything that is in solid color, not in transparency. Okay, and the shoes are transparent as well, so you need to fix it. Okay, make sure it looks great, and then make sure your face of the Bitmoji and everything looks good. The hands, okay, looks great. And now you can download it. See that is on your download folder. If you go back to your demo here, and this time I make another new one. Oops, I clicked the wrong one, and you just drag and delete the caption. And then this time, for example, if I just make the background in color to make it easier to see it, I just drag this to the slide, and this time you see it is transparent. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.